Here we are again, Dad&ally Cooks. Hi everyone! Welcome once again to Dad&ally Cooks. Today, tayo ay magluluto ng very quick, very simple, and very easy to cook dish. Gawin mo to sa iyong bangus and siguradong mapapa-extra rice ka. Ito ang spicy ginataang boneless bangus. Made with freshwater boneless bangus, filled with yummy ingredients and spices, and cooked in coconut milk. Before we start, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala na meron pong gata serye ang Dad&ally Cooks wherein makikita nyo po ang lahat ng lutuing gata na aming ginawa. And this dish will be the latest inclusion sa aming gata serye playlist. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Start, here are the ingredients. We have 500 grams of boneless bangus, 3 cups of coconut milk, ground pepper, alamang, salt, garlic, ginger, onion, red chili, and green chili. Okay, Ali, let's start cooking. Mag-i-start na po tayo maggisa. Pinainit na po natin ang ating kawali and lalagyan natin ito ng 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Una nating igigisa ang ating bawang. You will saute it for about 30 seconds. And then, isusunod na natin ang ating sibuyas. After ng ating sibuyas, ilalagay na rin natin ang ating chopped ginger. And then, isusunod natin ilagay ang ating spicy alamang. This will add a natural salty and spicy taste sa ating lutuin. And then, after natin masutay lahat ng ating ingredients, ilalagay na natin ang 3 cups of coconut milk or ang ating kakanggata. We need to mix them thoroughly para mag-blend lahat ng ating ingredients dito sa ating coconut milk or sa ating gata. After mag-blend lahat ng ating ingredients, we will cover and simmer this one for 2 to 3 minutes. Tinakpan natin siya in medium heat para kumulo yung ating gata. And after 3 minutes, eto na po siya, kumukulo na po yung ating gata. Hahaluin natin ng konti. And then, ilalagay na natin ang ating salt. After natin mailagay ang ating asin, isusunod naman natin ilagay ang ating ground pepper o ang ating pamintang durog. Okay, we just have to mix, and mix para mag-blend lahat ng lasa. And then, susunod natin ilagay ang ating siling labuyo. This will really add spice sa ating ginataang bangus. After natin mailagay ang ating siling labuyo, haluin lang natin ng kaunti. And then, isusunod natin ilagay ang ating siling haba. Inislice na natin ito diagonally. Okay, everything is in there. All the ingredients is in there. Ngayon, tatakpan natin siya uli and we will simmer it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, eto na po yung ating sauce. Makikita natin na slowly lumalapot na yung ating gata. Haluin lang natin mabuti. Okay. After natin mahalo ng mabuti, we will add the star of the show. Lalagay na po natin ang ating boneless bangus. Ilalagay lang natin siya ng maayos. And reminder lang po, huwag nating hahaluin ang ating bangus ng sobra-sobra Ganito lang po ang paghalo o ang pagmix ng ating gata sa ating bangus. Okay. And after natin ma-mix yung ating gata sa ating boneless bangus, we will cover it and we will simmer it for about 5 minutes in slow heat. Slow cook to perfection na po tayo. After 5 minutes of slow cook to perfection, eto na po siya. Okay, sa tingin natin medyo hindi pa masyadong luto yung ating boneless bangus. And what we want to happen is ma-absorb lahat ng bangus, yung lasa ng ating gata. Yan ang magpapasarap ng lasa ng ating bangus. So nagawa na natin yung process ng ating paghalo. Right now, we will cover this one for about 2 to 3 minutes para ma-fully cook na yung ating ginataang bangus. After 3 minutes, we're done and we will start to plate our cooked dish. Right now, we will start to plate our sumptuous ginataang boneless bangus. A combination of yummy boneless bangus with spices and ingredients and cooked in coconut milk. Here is, guys, our own version of spicy ginataang boneless bangus.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Again, thank you sa lahat ng aming subscribers. Don't forget to watch our gata serye sa Dad&ally Cooks playlist. Till the next video, guys. Bye!